Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are talking Boxycharm spoilers, all of the items that we know coming in the 2023 May Boxycharm box, as well as the theme reveal for the icon box and all of that. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Boxy spoilers with me, stay tuned. Now, first things first, I don't want to spend too much time on this because I feel like everybody already knows, but I cannot start a Boxycharm spoiler video without saying that the IPSY icon box, the big quarterly box, is an Anastasia Takeover, which means we're going to probably see a ton of Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina products in the box, tons of brow products, and all of that. Not going to spend too much time on that. Let me know what you think on that down below. And we're going to jump right into the regular spoilers. I do also want to have the caveat, like I know my lighting is going to look a little bit different in the next clip. I actually filmed my IPSY and my Boxycharm spoiler videos as one video, and it got way too long, so now after the fact, I am filming an intro, just to make it a little bit easier. So, jumping into those spoilers now. And moving on to the May Boxycharm spoilers. Now, there are some really, really exciting products in here, and I have 6 to talk about, and then an OG Boxycharm teaser. So the first product is from Glow Recipe. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. This yummy hyaluronic acid cream doesn't just smell like a juicy plum, it is actually infused with plum and 5 molecular weight of hyaluronic acid. These ingredients are combined with vegan collagen and vegan silk protein to fill each skin layer. This is one of those products that I have used before, and it blurs and smooths beautifully. I like it on those days where I want either no makeup or not to wear makeup at all. It is fantastic in your routine. Glow Recipe has some amazing products. Next, from Iconic London, it is the Beachside Babe Eyeshadow Palette. Take your warm weather glam to the next level with this tropical inspired palette featuring 12 high pigment, warm tone shades in velvety mattes, buttery shimmer finishes. Your looks are bound to turn heads. I notoriously do not like the Iconic London eyeshadow formula. I've had a palette or two that I've liked, but for the most part, I don't love the formula, so not hoping to get this. Really pretty colors. I think I could have fun playing with the tones, but I don't love the formula, so I'm afraid that I'm not going to like the formula, and I don't want to play with a palette I'm going to hate. Next, from Violet Voss, this is the Whispering Rose 4-color blush palette. This is stunning, and I love an orangey terracotta blush for the spring and summer. I used to love, they had a blush palette like a million years ago when I was working at Sephora. It was on the end cap. I don't remember what it's called, but it was beautiful. So really excited if the formula hasn't changed to play with Violet Voss blushes again. It's been a while, but I know they have one of the best eyeshadow formulas. It is super affordable. I mean, not super affordable. It's not like drugstore pricing, but compared to like Natasha Denona and Pat McGrath, it is more on the affordable side. If I remember correctly, it was like $30 for like a 25 shade palette, which compared to the other stuff in Sephora is definitely on the affordable side. Next, this is actually a repeat product if you've gotten Boxycharm for a while. This is the Pure Big Look Mascara with Argan Oil. This, I believe, came in a limited edition Boxycharm box, I want to say in 2017, maybe 2018. Not a new product, not an exciting product. I did not like this mascara. This is a pass for me. From LYS Beauty, it's the Love Yourself Eyeshadow Palette in Unapologetic. I have tried quite a few products from this brand, and I've liked the ones that I've used. I was actually really upset. I've gotten one of their cream contours, and it came melted, so it happens, not a big deal. Really excited to play around with this palette. I love these greens and purples. I love that warm orange tone. Would love to do like a summery look with this. Really hoping to get it. And the last product is the Dominic Cosmetics Smooth and Blur setting powder in the shade Translucent. Kiss Unwanted Shine Goodbye this summer with this must-have setting spray. Smooth and blur your skin. Sun started going down and I got really shadowy, so I did just mess with my settings a little bit. Hopefully you can see clearly. Anyway, big fan of Dominic Cosmetics, big fan of Chris and Dominique. Really hope I can try this out. And lastly, I'm going to put a screenshot on the screen. This is Steph and Johnny on the Boxycharm Instagram. If you remember, 2017, 2018, and even into 2019, Boxycharm would, be talking on their socials and there'd be like a product sitting on the back table and you'd be like, what's in the background? And eventually it would be a spoiler and there would be Instagram accounts, myself included, where we would like screenshot what it was, post a picture of what we thought it was, and speculate. It was super exciting. We got one of those again. So I don't know if this is a mega drop shop teaser or a future product teaser, but Steph and Johnny posted this mini clip a few days ago, and there were two products that were noticeable on that table. The first is from Origins. This is the Checks and Balances Cleanser. This is a fantastic cleanser for all skin types. I'm a big fan of it. It has been around for years. I think it's an exciting product, and I do really hope that it's coming in a box. The other item, it looks like there are two different ILmachiage palettes. Now, I can't see the colors of those, but I have the one in the shade Boss Squad, and it is a beautiful, like, this is a purple smoky eye palette. You can get a great, like, cute little look out of this. I'm a big fan. I love this formula. I don't know which shades are in there because they do have quite a few of these, but I'm a big fan of the formula. I think it's a great product. I'm really hoping to see that come to a box soon. Now, the thing with the teasers that we've gotten in that I've just gone over, and I do want to reiterate, when it comes to these spoilers and the brands that are like here, when IPSY goes into a deal with a brand and they say like, oh, this Fenty Beauty palette's going to be in the box, some of those brands will negotiate like, I want to be a spoiler brand. I want to be a teaser brand. I want to be a hyped brand. And some aren't. So teasers and these mini clips are things that brands can actually like tell IPSY they want to be in, and that's part of their negotiation. So I don't know if these two products are going to be in this month's features somehow, or if it's something that's coming in a future box or an add-on, or even as like the beauty boost item. We will not know until box selection on May 2nd, but so far I am really excited at the opportunity to get these products because like I love them both. I wish I had the Checks and Balances cleanser. I haven't used it in years, but I used to swear by it. Anyway, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it. What do you think of this month's spoilers? Sound off, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.